Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will do the introduction about how to do the assembly of the brackets on this special MaggieFrame magnetic hoop. This is for the sleeve and also for the trousers. Okay, let's start. If you buy the MaggieFrame like this is for the sleeve, and you will find that here for the brackets there's so many holes. So all you choose which position is good for you. This embroidery machine is made in China. We just take this embroidery machine as an example. You will see we assemble the brackets from this hoop. We caught this is the length of the hoop, and we see from here to the bar, it's the depth of the machine. This machine, the depth is deep enough, so we can assemble the brackets from the first hole. You will see when we mount on the arm. You will see here and the bar, there's still distance. There still have space enough. When we mount the brackets from the first hole, because the depth of the arm is deep enough, so we use this hoop to do the trousers or the sleeve, and this area can be embroidered. This machine is a kind of copy of brother PR machine, and you will see the bar of the arm is the depth is very small. It's not so deep. So if we assemble the brackets from the first hole here, you will find the problem. We mount on the machine, you will see, okay, we cannot, because you will see here with the bar of the arm is already touched. You cannot push in. Move these brackets to here. Okay, now it's on the position. It's the right position. And here you will see it's not touched. So the brackets, the position of the brackets, it depends on the depth of your arm. The depth of your arm. If the arm here is very deep, you can assemble the brackets from here. If it's not so deep, you need to adjust the position of the brackets. So after your assembly, you can mount this hoop on your machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit about how to do the assembly of the brackets on this special MaggieFrame magnetic hoop. If you have interest to get more information about MaggieFrame or how to use the MaggieFrame, please subscribe our channel. We will bring more information, skills, and experience to you. Thank you for your time. See you next time.